Find out the predicate first. Before the predicate, the noun is the subject. The rest part is the adverbial. After the predicate, the noun is the object. The rest part is the complement. Then the puzzle is solved. And you can quickly and exactly know what happened in a Chinese sentence, even it's a so long one. Now, if you can analyze this sentence and find out the predicate, subject, object, adverbial, and complement these 5 parts in it, with no doubt, please save your time and have fun on YouTube. If language is a human body, the grammar is like the bones. When we build up a great frame, the vocabulary or expressions could put easily into the frame, just like blood and flesh.
Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Tess. Today I will introduce you Chinese Mandarin basic grammar structure. It's very important for all of the learners. Also, it's pretty simple to understand even for all of the beginners. You will find it's amazing and incredible helpful during your learning in the future.
Let's see the 3 yellow parts first. Subject, predicate, object. They are the roles in grammar structure to play the different functions. Take an example in English. I love you. I is the subject. It is usually acted by a noun, means somebody or something. Love is the predicate. Acted by a verb, means an action or a state. You is the object. Acted by a noun means somebody or something too. The difference between the subject and the object is the subject is often the one who does the action actively, while the object is the one who is suffered. Until now, the basic structure of Chinese is the same with English. And then I will tell you the great differences. First, in Chinese, the predicate is acted not only by a verb, but also by an adjective, even sometimes by a noun. For an example, in English, we say, she is good. But in Chinese, we say, she very good. 她很好. There is no is. So, a plenty of sentences need to be changed, like the house very beautiful. He very angry. A lot of students took and take the mistakes. Also, when a noun to be the predicate, he is 3 years old, turns to be he 3 years old. 他3岁. Secondly, look at the 2 orange parts, the adverbial and the complement. These 2 parts exist depending on the predicate. They exist for modifying the predicate to add more details and informations about the action or the state. The adverbial usually controls the place, the time, or the way, etc., often acted by the adverb, noun of place or time, and sometimes preposition plus noun. And the complement is responsible for the result, degree, direction, duration, and so on, often acted by the verb or adjective. What we need to pay attention to is their positions. The adverbial is definitely before the predicate, but maybe before, maybe after the subject. The complement is absolutely after the predicate, but maybe before, maybe after the object. Sometimes there's no object. For example, in English, we say, I have dinner in a Chinese restaurant today. However, in Chinese, we say, I, today, in a Chinese restaurant, have dinner. 我今天在一个中国饭店吃晚饭。We notice that the adverbial about the time and place changed the position in the sentence. As for the complement, it's a unique part of Chinese. If we compare with English, it's a kind of similar with do well. Well is to show the result of the action do. But the complement has a lot of types and complicated. We don't involve too much in this video. If you want to know more, you can leave a message to let me know. In one word, when you meet and analyze a Chinese sentence, try this way. Find out the predicate first. Before that, the noun is the subject. The rest part is the adverbial. After the predicate, the noun is the object. The rest part is the complement. Then the Chinese puzzle is solved. You can quickly and exactly know what happened in it, even it's a so long one. Let's see this one. 我今天早上8点和我妈妈一起开了1个小时车。The answer will show up in 5 seconds. You can check your answer. If you need more time, please pause. There! If you get help from this video, please like it and give your thoughts about this video in the comments board. Leave your Gmail. I will pick out 5 persons who are willing to learn Chinese to give a 25 minutes free lesson. Keep watching us. See you next time.
Mandarin says